What's up, everyone? You may have noticed the name change. Yeah, welcome to Polly's Garage. Today, no project per se, but since I've been talking about my cars, I figured I'd give you a little tour of my cars. I'm also testing out my new little lapel mic, because my other mic, when I'm behind the camera, you can't really tell. It gets a little muffled. But let's get started. So to start it off, I guess I'll show you guys my 2000 Honda Civic. Maybe I should have washed it before, but it's definitely dirty as hell. But seeing as how it's dirty, the inside isn't. I gave it a huge detail. As you can see, it is a 5-speed manual. Really fun to drive. Interior is nice and clean, and when I say detail, I mean detailed. Besides the dash, because I didn't get to that. I came in here, took out all my seats, shampooed the carpets, shampooed all the seats. For this car right now, it definitely needs a wash on the outside, but besides that, I have 2 projects coming up for it real quick. Probably start those next week, and I'll record them for you guys. I'm going to throw on a short shifter from Skunk 2 that I have, and when I'm doing the short shifter, I also bought a new shift boot, so I'll show you guys how to install that. But the main project that I'm really looking forward to and happy about is I bought some new OEM fog lights. So, and they will go right there in that little section. Besides everything else, the only mods I've really ever done to this, I've lowered it before. I raised it back up to stock height because I was thinking of selling it. Sorry, Joel. But now I might lower it again. But other than that, my engine is completely unmolested, stock. I might be diving into it a little later, but let's move on to my real daily, my real baby. I have a 2006 Toyota Tacoma double cab, so 2 doors, long bed, 6-foot bed. I haven't done any really performance mods because the engine by itself is pretty strong. 4-liter V6, pretty awesome. The engine is in perfect shape. It's not as stock as it was. When I first got it, it was stock, and I haven't done really any like performance mods because there's not really much to do unless I want to buy a supercharger, and I ain't trying to do that. So it's all been cosmetic for now. My biggest upgrade has definitely been the front end. I got a new grill with the Ford Raptor like style, little ambers in the grill. And then I upgraded my headlights from Tacoma Beast. They're actually Spider headlights, so I have a daytime running LED bar, projector style headlights, super awesome. Put some new fog lights in with the yellow LED bulb just so they can pop a little more. Blacked out my badges. I added some NFAB side steps. I got the Toyota Tacoma bed mat because when I didn't have it, things just slid all the time. Let's see. I got my little window visors. I'm telling you guys, everything I've done to this has been cosmetic. inside. A necessity for sure. All weather floor mats. I upgraded my in-dash, so I put a little in-dash with a little rear view camera. You know, I got to keep my mask on deck. It's the time we live in. Other than that, I've fixed little problems that Toyotas, especially Tacomas, are known for. The little droop, really common in Toyota Tacomas, especially of this generation. It loosens up and starts to droop. The driver's side was really bad. It used to droop like down to here. I'll post a video. I fixed that. Your little accessory meter right here shows you your time, temperature, no, not time, just temperature and general direction you're going, north, south, east, west, things of that nature. That was off for the longest, so I finally fixed that. But yeah, other than that, just small little things I've done to the Tacoma to make it more my own. But yeah, those are my cars. The only thing I got lined up for the truck will be the hood struts, which will be in hopefully later on next week. I got more projects coming up for the Civic than I do the Tacoma, just because Tacoma, that's my daily. I don't want to really do anything too much where I'm gonna be out of commission, even though I can just drive this guy. But thanks for tuning in. That was a quick little video for today, just showing off the cars. Support my boy Oscar Montes, Lost Harbor Tattoo. But what do you think of the name? Comment, give me ideas. I don't know. Cheers, guys.